Welcome to Consumer Picks. The best Wonderbox is probably one of the most convenient and hygienic solutions for cat owners seeking to simplify litter box maintenance, offering a disposable yet durable alternative that eliminates the need for traditional scooping and cleaning, making it an ideal choice for busy individuals, travelers, or those living in smaller spaces where odor control and ease of use are paramount. Number 5. PetSafe ScoopFree Crystal Pro Legacy Self-Cleaning Litter Box. Say goodbye to daily scooping. This automatic litter box takes care of waste for you, giving you weeks of freedom. Experience superior odor control. Its special crystals absorb moisture and dry waste, keeping your home smelling fresh. Keep your home clean with low tracking, dust-free crystals. They won't stick to your cat's paws, reducing mess around the house. Designed for convenience, it features leak-proof disposable trays with lids for quick and easy disposal. No more messy cleanup. Keep an eye on your cat's well-being. The built-in health counter tracks usage, offering valuable insights into their health. Trust in over 25 years of innovation from PetSafe. We're dedicated to helping you keep your pet healthy and happy. What we like? Enjoy weeks without scooping thanks to its automatic waste removal. It offers unbeatable odor control with crystal litter that absorbs and dries waste. If you're looking for a truly hands-off experience and want to monitor your cat's health, this is the one for you. What people say. The box is sturdy and doesn't leak. It's a good size for my cat and easy to scoop. I like that it's disposable and saves me cleaning time. Number 4. Alfapet Jumbo Sifting Cat Litter Box Liners, 5-pack. Introducing the original jumbo-sized sifting liners, invented by Alfapet for your largest litter pans. These liners are designed for convenience and come in multi-packs for your needs. Tired of liners slipping? Our patented STA-put technology uses elastic to keep them firmly in place, no matter the shape of your litter box. Built tough for even the most enthusiastic diggers. These liners are tear-resistant and designed to withstand determined claws, keeping your litter box protected. Cleanup is a breeze with these sifting liners. Simply fit, fill, lift, sift, and toss. They are designed without tie strings for added safety. Start by fitting the solid liner, then layer the sifting liners on top. Fill with litter, and when it's time to clean, just lift and sift. Dispose of the used liner easily. These jumbo liners are perfectly sized for extra large and extra giant litter boxes, measuring 37 by 18 inches. They offer a generous 30 pounds capacity. What we like? These liners feature a unique sifting design for easy cleanup and stay-put technology to ensure a secure fit. They are also tear-resistant, built to withstand determined claws. If you prefer to keep your existing litter box but want a much easier cleanup solution that won't slip or tear, these are a great choice. What people say. The Wonderbox is a game-changer for cat owners, offering a convenient and mess-free solution for litter box duty. Its sturdy construction ensures it can handle even the most active cats, and the disposable nature eliminates the need for constant cleaning. The compact design makes it ideal for small apartments or travel, providing a hygienic option wherever you go. Number 3. PetSafe Fresh Scent Disposable Litter Box. Introducing a litter box designed for life on the go. Its collapsible nature makes it perfect for travel and simple storage. Experience 5x better odor control than traditional clay litter. This product effectively reduces unpleasant smells from both urine and solid waste. Our special wax coating ensures complete leak protection. Enjoy cleanliness and durability, no matter where your adventures take you. Say goodbye to messy litter box changes. It comes with 8 disposable scoops for quick and hygienic cleaning, keeping both you and your cat satisfied. Designed with an elevated entrance and a privacy hood, it significantly reduces litter tracking. Your pet will appreciate the discreet and comfortable space. We've been dedicated to pet well-being for over 25 years. Our US-based experts are always available to assist you and your beloved pet. What we like? This option is incredibly compact and collapsible, making it perfect for travel or easy storage. It offers 5x better odor control than clay litter and features a leak-proof wax coating. If you're a frequent traveler with your cat or need a convenient, odor-fighting solution on the go, this disposable box is ideal. What people say. The box is lightweight and easy to carry. It's a good size for my cat and holds a lot of litter. The material is sturdy and doesn't leak. Number 2. Midlee Disposable Cat Litter Boxes, 5-pack. Ensure a clean and hygienic space for your feline friend every time. For extra cleanliness, you can even add a liner. These boxes are designed to be universally compatible. Use any type of cat litter that your cat prefers for their comfort. Crafted from recycled paper, these boxes offer a responsible choice for waste management. Dispose of them with peace of mind. Enjoy hassle-free cleaning with these disposable litter boxes. They provide a convenient option for easy maintenance. This convenient pack of 5 is ideal for travel, temporary needs, or simply rotating to keep things fresh. They are portable and easy to use anywhere. What we like. Made from recyclable paper, this offers a hygienic and easy-to-maintain solution for your cat's needs. It's universally compatible with any type of cat litter. If you prioritize eco-friendly options and want a simple, disposable box for regular use or temporary situations, this pack of 5 is a practical pick. What people say. The box is sturdy and doesn't leak. It's a good size for my cat and easy to clean. I like that it's disposable and eco-friendly. Number 1. Cats Desire Disposable Litter Boxes, 10-pack. Tired of scrubbing plastic litter boxes that hold on to odors? Our disposable boxes offer a simple, fresh solution. Just assemble, use, and toss for an odor-free experience. Designed with a durable, double-layer moisture barrier, these boxes are built for everyday use. They are made to last, ensuring no leaks even with clumping litter. Enjoy the flexibility of our patented design. Use each box as a spacious open litter area, or connect two for a private, covered space your cat will love. Provide your feline friends with ample space in our jumbo-sized boxes. The high sides effectively contain litter and prevent messes, keeping your home cleaner. Proudly designed, patented, and manufactured in the USA since 2006. We are committed to simplifying cleanup for cat owners with a trusted, convenient product. Say goodbye to stubborn odors and messy cleanups. Our disposable litter boxes make maintaining a fresh home effortless. Simply replace when needed for ultimate convenience. What we like. Say goodbye to scrubbing with these disposable boxes that are designed to be folded and tossed. They feature a leak-resistant barrier and a patented design that allows them to be used as either an open or covered box. If you want a simple, odor-free litter box solution that's easy to assemble and dispose of, and you appreciate the flexibility of an open or covered option, these are a fantastic choice. What people say. The box is sturdy and doesn't leak. It's a good size for my cat and easy to clean up. I like that it's disposable, makes travel so much easier. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.